Hello, we are going to get started today. I am not going to do your sound cards with you. I did those yesterday. So if you would like review for it, you can watch the video that I did yesterday for foundations, okay? We are going to start out by going over some trick words or some sight words, okay? So our first one is the. Everybody say the. A, repeat after me after I say it, okay? And, is, his, of, as, has, to, into, we, he, she, be, me, for, or. You, your, I, they, was, one, and said. If you want to practice any words this week, I suggest you practice this set right here. If you know all these words just by reading them, maybe you need to practice spelling them. So getting a piece of paper out and writing the word 3 or 4 times until you know how to spell it, okay? So just a reminder about those trick words.